Hello and welcome to week 19. Okay, so we're just going to start and try to put some of the vanity unit together. So we've got, this is the worktop, which is quite nice. It is like a hot box up here, so wish us luck. It says 90 minutes. Okay, so it's way too hot and we're going to call a rain check on this for now. Okay guys, so this is how far we've got up to so far, but it's 10 PM and I need to drive to Bristol in the morning, so... Okay, so one side of the cladding has now been done, so what we're going to do is take off the white wrapper around the windows. And this is how it's looking from the outside. I am loving the contrast of the black and the wood. When the sun is shining, living in a garden room isn't all that bad. So we're gonna go and look at maybe like sofas and stuff, and obviously we've got our traditional coffees, and yeah, we're just gonna go to this place called Oak Furnitureland Outlet, which sells off Oak Furnitureland furniture like really cheap, so I'll show you now. But yeah, if you live near Newport in South Wales, then you should check it out. So yeah, they had some really good deals on these sofas, so we think we're going to get one because we can pick them up straight away rather than waiting months for DFS, who are slightly overpriced. Okay, so we're going to divide and conquer today. So Alex is going to paint the first coat of just full paint on the ceilings today. So we're having our kitchen delivered on Tuesday, so we just want to make sure that the ceilings have had 2 mist coats and 1 actual coat before, you know, it gets delivered and installed and we're painting all over the kitchen. We just don't want that, even though it's so annoying that the this hasn't been plastered, because it means we're gonna have to get the sprayer out after the kitchen gets installed, so it's just like more masking up that we'll have to do, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's going on in here today, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and finish the vanity unit. Okay, and I'm gonna try and put this vanity unit together on my own on this very dusty floor. So I'm having difficulty here because these holes are not aligning with these runners here. This one was fine, that one not so much. This is just stressful. Okay, so I've realised what's gone wrong. These tracks are different lengths. So we've got 25 centimetres for the top drawer, which is that one, and then 28 centimetres for the bottom drawer, because that one's a bit bigger. So what's happening is this one was lining up 25 centimetres and this one wasn't because it was too big. But the instructions just don't tell you that they're different sizes. They're just all called like CU2s or whatever. So annoying. And it's honestly so hot up here, I'm getting frustrated. Right, I've sorted the track issue, but there's something not right with these. Look, surely a drawer shouldn't open like this. Okay, so I put them together as much as I can. I'm literally covered in dust. I'm sweating up here. They just don't open very well. Oh. Sounds like something's wrong, so I need to put the lid on, the lid at the top on, but that's how it should look. But it should open nicely, but bits of aftermath of me trying to put flat pack furniture together. When you think people are good at DIY, really, they're not. They're just good at pretending they are. Okay, so it's tried with the roller, but if you can see, because the bottom layer is a mist coat and this is a full coat, you can really see all the lines. So we're just going to go back to the spray painting machine, and he's going to spray all of this with a bit of mist coating, but hopefully more paint. We've got to put doggy poo bags on the ceiling, and I'm going to go upstairs now and do the reveals. One thing that I am doing right now is I think I mentioned in another video that we needed to get up here plastered, but we hadn't had the windows installed yet. So we did like a little trick where the builder put like a mini bit of plasterboard around the reveals, and then when the windows were put in, they patched in the little holes, and then the plasterer had to come back and finish the reveals. So we've currently got like lots of like plaster around every window that needs to be sanded really and painted. So that's what I'm going to get up to today. And this may look like a creamy Starbucks, but it's not. It is half paint, half water, and that's because the reveals need to be mist coated as well. Look how stunning that sun is coming through there. It's just so good. So nice. And the bathroom's got a really nice glow as well. Goes nice with the gold. Okay, I think I forgot to mention we also had the cement board installed at the back of the house, which means that the render can be applied to this cement board because it can't be applied to just wood. So the wood was put on and then the cement board was attached to that. So yeah, we should be able to get the render soon. I'll also come around and show you the cladding from this angle. So yeah, you can really see now the black windows with the wood effect cladding. It does look so good. Not too much happened this week, guys, but next week it is literally all steam ahead in the bungalow. So stay tuned for next week because we've got loads, including the kitchen arrival.